How do Tezos and Etherlink interact? The token exchange process between Tezos and the Etherlink rollup is an intricate sequence of steps that ensure a secure and verifiable transfer of assets. This process involves two smart contracts on the Tezos blockchain, the EVM bridge contract and the exchanger contract, and the Etherlink rollup. The exchange process begins with the user initiating a request. This request includes essential information such as the user's Etherlink address and the rollup address where the tokens will be minted. The amount of Tez tokens they wish to exchange must be attached to the transaction and sent along. Upon receiving the request, the EVM bridge contract on the Tezos blockchain executes the deposit entry point. This entry point is responsible for creating a transfer request and sending a mint transaction to the exchanger contract. The storage is updated to represent the tokens, while the transaction is sent to the exchanger contract to mint the ticket representing the recipient of the tokens on Etherlink and the address of the Etherlink rollup. The transaction also includes a callback to the EVM bridge with the minted ticket. The mint entry point in the exchanger contract receives the minting request from the EVM bridge contract and acknowledges the token deposit. It then proceeds to create a ticket representing the amount of tokens sent in the EVM bridge contract. The Tez are locked in the exchanger contract. A transaction is sent back from the exchanger contract to the EVM bridge contract, holding the ticket representing the locked Tez. Following the successful minting and sending of the ticket, the callback entry point of the EVM bridge contract is invoked. This step checks that the storage was previously updated to request a ticket minting. The user's Etherlink address and the address of the Etherlink rollup are retrieved from the storage, and the transaction is sent to the rollup to deposit the newly created ticket. The storage is then reset in order to accept new token transfer requests. The EVM bridge contract calls the deposit ticket entry point of the Etherlink rollup with the ticket and the Etherlink address of the recipient as a parameter. This operation is crucial as it represents the transfer of the XTZ tokens onto the Etherlink rollup. Finally, the Etherlink rollup acknowledges the deposit of the ticket. This marks the completion of the exchange process. The user's Tez tokens are now successfully exchanged for a corresponding value within the Etherlink ecosystem, which is represented in a token compatible with the Ethereum virtual machine format.